I have spent a shameful amount of time in gyms and all different types of gyms. And one thing that I am certain of is that the gym is one of the most supportive environments that you will ever find. People go there every day to better themselves. They don't go there to judge other people. And so at the moment, your body has put a GPS pin, to quote John Deloney, in the gym. So every time you think about the gym and every time you go into a gym, your body and your nervous system goes, ugh. And so our mission now is to let your body understand that this is actually a supportive place and that no one, and I mean this, no one's staring at you, judging you. And so the way we do this is through exposure. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go into the gym. I want you to jump on a treadmill, pretty easy to use, hit the walk button and walk. I want you to walk for 5 minutes and I want you to look around. I want you to get to know the gym, observe what's happening. Now, whilst you're on that treadmill, I want you to pick one machine. Machines are easy to use, trust me, they're hard to do wrong. And I want you to think, hey, maybe I can do that next time. Finish yourself up on the treadmill and get out of there. Then I want you to come back the next day. I want you to jump on the treadmill again. We're making the treadmill a safe space for you. Jump on and walk. And then if you feel up to it, jump on that equipment that you identified yesterday and give it a go. 1 set, 8 repetitions, then wrap it up and get out of there. And then the next day, come back, hit the treadmill. There's a theme that's happening here. The treadmill is now a safe space for you. And this time I want you to identify another piece of equipment. Now, once you feel a bit more comfortable, jump on those 2 exercises that you've identified, give them a go, and then get out of there. I want you to continue this. Continue this until you've got 5 different exercises that you now feel a little bit more comfortable with. And then, my friend, my beautiful YouTube friend, you've made yourself a workout routine. And I want you to do this. Own it. This is your routine. You've created this, and then get out of there. And I can guarantee you by this time, your nervous system, your body won't be up here. It'll be down here. And if this method doesn't really work for you, I want you to do one more thing. I want you to promise me that you'll do this. I know it's hard. But I want you to get to know the manager, or I want you to get to know the personal trainer that's in the gym. Just say hi. I want you to have someone that you can walk into the gym, look at, smile, and they'll smile back. And that too will make your body just go, ah. So the gym is not a place to be scared. The gym is not a place to be anxious about. The gym is one of the most supportive environments on this planet. We just have to teach your body that it's a safe place. And the way we do that is through exposure.